Oh, I ain't gonna go yet.
Are you ready for your first question?
Yes.
Let's do this. Is a circle round?
Yes.
That is correct. For your first prize, you get a tire inflator. Now you're ready for your second question.
Yes.
Let's get after this. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3 is correct. For your second prize, you get a wheel puller set.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your third and final question?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Wait, do I come back?
Yeah, come on
Okay.
up. How many sides does an icosahedron have?
12.
Is 12 your final answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 24 sides.
Okay.
Thanks so much for
Yeah,
playing.
thank
Thanks,
you.
sir.